What is up? Today, I'm gonna make bacon in the Ninja Foodi. The most I've ever done at one time was 2 pounds. So I figured while I'm making all these how-to videos on the Foodi, bacon. Easiest one. For this, all you're gonna need is the pot, the reversible rack thing that comes with it, and the air fry lid. Once I get the bacon all in there, I then turn the pressure cooker on and set it to air crisp, 330 degrees, and I do it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Some videos I've seen talks about preheating this. I don't do it. I just set it for like an additional 5 minutes. As it's cooking, I like to open the lid because one, it smells amazing because bacon. And two, I like to rotate the rack around a little bit, kind of stir it up a little so that way the bacon comes out a little more even. I like my bacon everything from basically rare to almost burnt. So the way that this cooks it is half the bacon is pretty crispy, and then the tips are still a little bit soft, and that's how I love my bacon. Bacon is done cooking, and this is what we have. Wouldn't be a true video if I didn't taste the product. It's really hot right now. I love bacon. As always, the Foodi cooks to perfection. Well, I hope you enjoy the video. If you like, click like. If you would like to see more of my videos, click the subscribe button. And if you'd like to be notified anytime I make a video, hit the little bell next to the subscribe button. Hope you all have a great, wonderful, and blessed day.